If you're a YouTuber, a podcaster, there is a new product on the market which I believe you will love it. I have this video here that I need to edit and it's 32 minutes and 56 seconds. Now, I have a lot of fluffs inside this video, but to edit this video, it's not gonna take me 32 minutes. It can take me more or less, but there's this app that will help me cut off all gaps inside. It's called Recut. I'll show you how it works. And I have tutorials on my channel on how to install it. A new version is available. Just click yes. Whenever you launch it and you see this, just click yes. There's nothing more you have to do. This is it. It's good. This pop up, just so you know, it's just preparing to install the update. Then you click yes. That means we are done with the new version. Everything is back again, which is the reason why I like these things much. Now I'm gonna go back to my file, all right, and I'll drag it and drop it here, and guess what, less than 5 seconds all the gaps are gone, from 32.57 seconds to 13 minutes 39 seconds. This is the garbage that it took off. 1049 cards. These are all garbages. Right from here, what I have to do next is to go up here and click export again, and make sure it's in 1920 by 1080 version if that's what you want. And also this should say video. Just make sure it says video. But if you want to change the resolution, you're just gonna click and change it. Remember, whatever resolution you create your video in, it's the way it's gonna pop up. You don't even have to worry much. And now this is the title I gave to this video, and it's gonna say underscore without silence. That means these are all the red stuff that is taken out. I'll click save, and it's gonna start saving it, and I'll show you the result when it's done. It is done. I'm gonna close this and I'll go back here and I'll open my folder. This is it, and make sure it reads underscore without silence at the end. This is the file. It's here, which is good. I'll go back into my recording app. I'm using Filmora, and I'll drop the link in the description box if you want. So now I need to go open the version I was recording in. Open project. I will hover, go to file, open recent project, and this is the project. This is it. For my folder again, click here and push this over a bit. Click and drag and drop it here. Then I will just minimize this. Click save right away, and I have to make sure it's done. And don't forget this, click save. Don't forget this. And now I'm gonna click this, control and click here again, or S. Let me zoom it a bit. Click this, control and click this again, control S. Then I'm gonna drag the new one and put it here, then click save. Right now this is what I will be working on, not the 32 minutes, and this will save you a lot of editing time. I'll drop all the links in the description box. That's the first one, and I have another one, and this is the second one. You're gonna get 10% off. Thanks for your time, and I hope this video helps you out. Bye for now.